Hello, are you struggling to get traffic? And obviously when you are not getting traffic, you are also not making money online. So if you want to make money online, then I have an amazing answer for you. The answer is Kingpin. So Kingpin is leveraging the Pinterest app. Pinterest is a totally free app and you can use the Pinterest traffic to get money, to make money online very easily. And the best thing inside Kingpin is it is a totally full-fledged course, as well as it is giving you the software part also. The software is given inside the Kingpin Premium software section. If you click on there, it allows you to install the Kingpin traffic software, and you can use the software as a Chrome extension and as a Chrome extension, and inside after using it you will be able to get traffic from Pinterest automatically. And believe me, automatically. I have gone through the video, and both of the videos I have gone through both of them, and that is literally surprising for me. I am using this thing and I can tell you that it is totally working. Okay, so inside this pack, the best thing is, think about the reality, that is you are just struggling to get traffic. Someone is giving you the software and he is telling you or she is telling you that it will be working for you. Just get it and give some little money to him or her, but they are not showing you how this is working. So that part is totally nullified inside Kingpin. Totally everything is detailedly discussed here. Okay, like how you can use the software, how you can use the software and get money and make money and get traffic, totally focused laser targeted traffic, that is also explained inside Kingpin. So I think nothing else you need after getting the Kingpin. So you can see here how to use Kingpin traffic software is given here, and you can use the detailed video, that is 8-minute video, and also the create bridge page, create landing page, everything is given here. The get response, the active campaign, you can use any of the autoresponders, or you can use some other autoresponders at cheap cost like Send Primo, and also the store visitors email, and also installation video is given, what is affiliate marketing, and also the platforms are given, Facebook traffic, solo ad traffic, the power of bonuses, the upgrades, the unannounced bonus, and support. Everything is given inside just $17. So I think a total pack is given, a total bundle is given with the tutorial, with the software automation pack. Okay, so 30 days, also no satisfaction money back guarantee available, and also these are the descriptions. And also let me tell you that I am giving you the bonuses, and that is totally exclusive bonuses. Like I am working on this field for so many days, that is why I can give you the bonuses, and the bonuses will be given to you totally in an automatic way. For the front end, let me clear you the front end and the upsells. So the Kingpin front end will cost you $17, and you have to go through it to get the upsells. So for the upsells, the 400 plus mega bonus, and for the front end 29 plus bonus. So these 29 plus bonuses will be delivered to you instantly once you have got the front end from this page. Like you can click on the description link, and from this page you can, after visiting this page, basically you can click on any of the buttons on this page and visit the sales page, then get the product, get the thing, and just get the bonuses also. So there are also some vendor bonuses, traffic avalanche, and some vendor bonuses will be delivered to you totally automatically with this tool, and also the upsell bonus I have cleared you already. So that's all I want to say. I have nothing to say much, and I don't want to waste your time. So Kingpin is the solution if you are not getting traffic. I have cleared you. Also the tutorial part given, the software is given, so you can use the Pinterest traffic, you can leverage the Pinterest traffic, and Facebook solo ads traffic, that is also cleared to you. If you are a newbie or a moderate marketer, like you have invested your 2 months, 3 months, 6 months inside make money online, and you are just fed up, so you can use the Kingpin. That will be a good answer for you for your make money online journey. So that's all I want to say. This is me, Chayan Sarkar, and have a good day. Thank you. I am ending this video here. So bye bye.